Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take multiple snaps in just one session. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Snapchat app. And then here you can see the plus button on the right side of your screen. So just go ahead and click at that. And here you want to scroll down until you see multi-snap. So just click at that. And you can see multi-snap now is on. So right now you can take multiple snaps in just one session. So you can do it with filter or without filter. So for example, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna take a picture. Okay. So here, once you've done that, you can click edit and send. So right now you can see all of your snaps. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.